You see a deal that says free, and you jump on it, right? I mean, who doesn't love free stuff? But what if I told you that every single one of those so-called bargains could be costing you your financial future, your time, and even your peace of mind? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the hidden traps of bargain hunting. I am going to show you exactly how this cycle is quietly stealing your potential and how you can break free for good. Let's talk about the siren song of free. In today's consumer world, the allure of a freebie or a massive discount is almost intoxicating. The moment you see it, your brain gets this instant dopamine hit. It's a chemical reaction that makes you feel smart, like you've outwitted the system. This feeling of a quick win is so powerful that it often completely overrides logic. We get caught in a psychological trap, prioritizing these small, immediate savings over our long-term financial health. We chase the thrill of the hunt, but we rarely stop to ask what we're actually catching. Now, let's unmask the hidden costs. This is where free starts to look a lot more expensive. Ever seen an item offered for free, but you just have to cover the shipping and handling? That shipping fee is often inflated to cover the cost of the item and then some. It's a classic trick. It feels like a small price to pay, but it's not a deal. It's a purchase disguised as a gift. Then there's the maintenance money pit. You score a super cheap appliance, maybe a blender or a coffee maker, for a fraction of the price of a reputable brand. You feel like a genius for a few months until it breaks. The warranty is non-existent, and repair parts are impossible to find. So what do? You end up buying another one and then another. Over a few years, you've spent more than you would have on one high-quality machine that would have lasted you a decade. The initial saving was just a down payment on future frustration and expense. But the most significant hidden cost is opportunity cost. Think about all the time you spend hunting for these deals. Hours scrolling through websites, driving to different stores, comparing prices down to the last penny. What could you have done with that time instead? You could have been learning a new skill, starting a side hustle, exercising, or spending quality time with your family. Those are activities that build real wealth, financial, intellectual, and emotional. By chasing trivial savings, you are giving up the most valuable and non-renewable resource you have, your time. This constant bargain hunting doesn't just drain your wallet, it erodes your future. It trains your brain to prioritize instant gratification. Why save up for a high-quality, durable coat when you can buy a cheap, trendy one right now for next to nothing? This mindset is the enemy of building lasting wealth. True financial progress comes from delayed gratification, choosing the long-term benefit over the immediate, fleeting pleasure. This leads directly to the consumer debt spiral. Services like buy now, pay later are everywhere, encouraging you to acquire things you don't truly need and can't really afford, all under the guise of a good deal. Each small, seemingly manageable payment adds up. Before you know it, a significant portion of your income is dedicated to paying off past impulse buys. This is money that could have been building your future. Every dollar spent on debt for a depreciating bargain is a dollar not invested in an asset that grows. You end up sacrificing your emergency fund and your retirement savings for a collection of things that offered a momentary high but no lasting value. And let's not forget the toll it takes on your personal energy. The endless scroll is real. You can lose hours, even days, of your life hunting for marginal savings that, in the grand scheme of things, make almost no difference to your financial well-being. Think about the mental fatigue that comes with it. The constant comparison, the decision paralysis over which $5 off coupon to use, the anxiety of missing out on a deal, it's exhausting. Then there's the return hassle. You get that free or heavily discounted item, and it doesn't fit, it doesn't work, or it's just not what you expected. Now you have to spend more time and energy repackaging it, printing a label, and driving to the post office or the store to return it. Suddenly, that free item has cost you an hour of your life and a gallon of gas. Was it worth it? Almost never. This constant cycle of acquiring and returning low-value items creates a huge mental load that slowly drains your focus and energy from the things that truly matter. So, how do we reclaim our financial future? It starts with a massive mindset shift. The first step is to adopt the cost-per-use principle. Instead of looking at the initial price tag, think about how much an item will cost you each time you use it. A well-made $300 pair of boots that you wear 1,000 times over 10 years costs you 30 cents per wear. A cheap $30 pair that falls apart after 30 wears costs you $1 per wear. The more expensive item is actually the better bargain. Investing in quality saves you money, time, and frustration in the long run. Next, start practicing strategic spending. This means aligning every single purchase with your long-term goals. Before you buy something, ask yourself, does this move me closer to my goal of financial freedom, or does it push me further away? Do I truly need this, or am I just responding to a marketing trigger? When your spending has a purpose, it becomes a powerful tool for building the life you want, rather than a reaction to a fleeting desire for a deal. Ultimately, this is about empowering yourself. It's about choosing to prioritize your financial freedom over the fleeting highs of consumerism. True wealth isn't about having the most stuff. It's about having the freedom to make choices. The freedom to quit a job you hate, to travel, to handle an emergency without panic, and to live life on your own terms. That freedom is worth far more than any discount. So the next time you see that irresistible free offer, take a deep breath and ask yourself, what is the true cost? By shifting your focus from saving pennies today to building a fortune for tomorrow, you'll not only improve your finances, you'll reclaim your time, your energy, and your future. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you see free in a new light, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building real, lasting wealth. See you in the next one.